Hi, my name is Jehad Khan, and I'm creative professional helping brands, creators, and businesses grow through powerful visual and smart strategy. I offer professional video editing, eye-catchy thumbnail design, search engine optimization, and complete YouTube channel management. From video editing to content strategy, I have worked with clients from different countries, delivering results that boost engagement and growth. Beyond YouTube, I also specialize in Figma UI UX design, helping businesses create user-friendly and visually stunning digital experiences. Whether you need to enhance your online presence or manage your entire social channel, I am here to help you achieve it efficiently and creatively. Let's collaborate and bring your vision to life. Contact me today and let's start building something amazing together.